Hi kids, do you play games? Oops, what a silly question. Of course you do. Do you know any other way to have fun on the computers? Yes, there is. And that fun is nothing but learning or understanding the programming languages and writing some programs in those. You can develop games, you can create some funny programs which can interact with you, and then you can play around, you can show them to your friends, and you can all together have a fun. Okay, let's start with one language. The language's name is GoLang. Today we will we will learn how to download this language, then you will install that language, and then we will just write one small program in GoLang. Later in coming videos we will explore this language more and have fun with it. Okay, before we start this GoLang, what you need to know? You first need to know the computer, how to open the computer. Open, I mean not open the hardwares, but to boot, to start the computer. Then you need to know what the Windows is or Linux, whatever operating system you use. Then on Windows you must know how to create files, how to install something. Installation is not a great stuff. How to explore internet, how to surf internet, how to open browser, it may be a Google Chrome or Internet Explorer, and download files from it, and then copy paste. You need to know how to type something, some letters on your with the help of your keyboards. Okay, let's start with downloading the GoLang. Let's go to Google and ask Google to download or to give me a GoLang link. As soon as you type, Google gives you one link on the top, and that link is the website of GoLang. From here you can download this language. Download Go. Once you complete the download, then it will, here you can select Microsoft Windows or whichever operating system currently you are using. Download will begin shortly. You'll see that here it is started downloading. I'll just cancel this because I don't want it. I have already downloaded and installed it. Once you complete the download, you just need to install it. Installation is nothing but you click on the file and then it asks you for the next. You do it, you finally finish it, and it is done. Once Go language is installed, you need to write a program in some editor. Editors are nothing but where you write your programs. So we will take help of Visual Studio Code. I'm asking Google to show me a page to download Visual Studio Code. So here it has shown me. Now in this website, that is code.visualstudio.com, here I can download Visual Studio Code also. Once I download it, I need to install. Same you are going to do. You will install it, next, finally finish, and then it starts appearing in your start menu. You just click on Visual Studio Code. Once you click on it, then it will open a window called Visual Studio Code like this. I don't want this welcome. Before we start with the Go, we need to tell this Visual Studio Code that I want to do a programming in Go and give me the extension. So here from left, the fifth icon is for extensions. I go here, I tell it go oops, I had already installed it. Poor. I'll just uninstall so that I can tell you how to install it back. When you go here in the installation extensions, you can type Go. Once you type Go, it will start searching for it, and you just need to click on the install. This will install a Go extension. This is the basic step that you need to do. Once you are done with this, you no more need this extension. What you need now is this blank Visual Studio Code editor. You double click on this icon anywhere in this open space. It will create one empty file. Okay, well, now I'm doing programming in Go, so I need to save this file. I'll just save this blank file. You can press Ctrl S to save. There is another way. As you see, every editor, you go to file, then you click on save or save as, and then you can save it. But as we are smart kids, we are not going to do that. We will just click on Ctrl S. Here in the save as type, you select the Go, and then we will name our file. Name is my first program or hello or something like that. I'll just name it hello. Okay, now I need to start with the program. Let's go to Go site again, and in their home page they have one small program, that is hello. We'll just copy this with Ctrl C, and we will go back to our editor. We'll paste it here. Is it being pasted? Did we do something wrong? Looks like I did something wrong here. Oops, 2-3 times. Okay, only one time. So here it has pasted few statements. What I'll do is I'll save this. Okay, it is asking me for some extension which I don't want right now, and then to run this program I will press F5. So if you see it, something is happening. Okay, in this debug console, what you see here is hello and some Chinese character. Okay, now I don't want these Chinese characters. I want to have some conversation, and that conversation, let's go with Augie. And Augie asks to cockroaches, where is my home? I again press F5. It will replace that hello and Chinese characters with the Augie, where is my home? Okay, now cockroaches need to answer. Dot print ln and cockroaches, what they can say, on fire. Ha ha ha. It's funny for them, right? Again save this, press F5. Once you do that, you will again see something happening here, and it has printed both the messages that we asked this Go language to print. Okay, for today this much only. In the later videos we will come to know how to import different libraries, what these functions are, how to take inputs from the user, how to write output, and so on. Okay, bye for now.